Hello and welcome. I am Sherri Reid, founder and CEO of Roots in Bloom, and I am pleased to introduce you to a very simple foot care regimen. This is a regimen that involves minimal effort and time, but it will literally transform your dry, cracked feet into skin that is super soft, while also helping you to maintain that smooth and soft feel over time. So let's begin. The first step in the Roots in Bloom foot care regimen is to apply our multi-acid exfoliating treatment. This treatment works well if you've got very dry, thick and/or scaly skin on the soles of your feet. Each pad is marinated in an alpha-beta peel solution that will help your feet shed layers of dead dry skin. You simply apply one of these pads to the entire sole of your feet once a day. Wait about a minute for the peel to absorb, and then you're on your way. You repeat this process each day for 5 days at the same time of day, preferably. On day 5, at the end of your shower or bath, you would take a pumice stone and gently buff all around the soles of your feet in order to remove the loosened skin and to complete the exfoliation process. Your feet should now look and feel smooth and soft and super supple. Because these pads contain a moisturizer, they perform double duty, both exfoliating and hydrating at the same time. After you have completed your multi-acid exfoliating treatment and your feet are looking fantastic, the next step in our regimen is all about maintenance. For this, you would transition over to our BHA Resurfacing Toner Pads. These toner pads contain a very mild hydroxy emollient and a combination of key moisturizers, including tea tree oil. They can be used daily or even a few times a day to keep the exfoliation process going and to maintain your newly soft and smooth feet. Just take one and apply it to the soles of your feet, again allowing a minute for the peel to dry, because they clean and exfoliate and hydrate. I personally prefer to use them right before going to bed at night. The tea tree oil adds a refreshing scent in addition to having antifungal and antibacterial properties, as well as a host of other healing benefits. The final step in our regimen is to apply the Ultra Hydration Oil. This feather-light but potent foot oil will provide a concentrated dose of hydration to your feet. It consists of a special blend of superfood skin ingredients such as marula oil, cranberry seed oil, baobab, as well as pomegranate seed oil. It also absorbs quickly and does not leave a greasy residue. In addition, it is lightly scented with the perfect blend of peppermint and rose oil to keep your feet not only looking fabulous, but smelling wonderful as well. While we recommend using it daily, it should not be used in the same sitting as the resurfacing pads. You may, for example, apply the resurfacing pads to your feet before going to bed at night, and then use the hydration oil in the morning after your bath or shower. Finally, if you'd like to give your feet a little extra boost of TLC, we have our B3 Repair Serum. So many of us use a serum on our faces, why not pamper your feet just a little? Our vitamin B serum is formulated to heal skin that may be damaged, tired, or stressed. And if there's any part of our body that works super hard every day on our behalf, it would have to be our feet. Running, standing, and walking for hours at a time, each and every day. This serum contains an array of nourishing ingredients, such as vitamin E, organic neem seed oil, aloe vera, and hyaluronic acid. Just a small amount of this serum, a few times a week, will go a long way towards helping to repair and nourish your feet so that they look and feel as healthy and revitalized as possible. Well, that's it for now. I hope that you enjoyed learning about the Roots in Bloom foot care, our regimen, and hope that you will consider making it part of your foot care routine. Thanks so much for watching.